પણ આગળ વધીએ અને હવે ખાસ પરિણામો પર વધુ વાતચીત કરીશું. આપણી સાથે શ્રીરામ પ્રોપર્ટીઝના એક્ઝિક્યુટિવ डायरेक्टर तथा ग्रुप CFO गोपालकृष्णन जोड़ाई रहा है. गोपाल सर, सबसे पहले गुड आफ्टरनून और बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका CNBC बाजार पर. एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ओपनिंग कमेंट्स नंबर्स पे लेना चाहेंगे बिकॉज एक अच्छा जो क्वार्टर है वो हमने देखा है इस बार, चाहे मार्जिन्स वगैरह सब जगह काफ़ी एक अच्छा पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट आता हुआ देखने मिला है. सो ओपनिंग कमेंट सर, कैसे देखे आपने नंबर्स, और फिर हम डिटेल में चर्चा की शुरुआत करें सर.
Namaskar and good afternoon. So, first quarter was extremely well for us. We did a very strong volume growth, 17% growth year on year. Values are up 47% year on year. Profit margins have been up. Revenues are up 10%, but EBITDA is up 50%. PBT is up 40%, and PAT is up 59% to 17 crores during Q1. So it has been supported by a very strong launches that we had. 2 launches successfully done in Bengaluru. Both of them did very well, with 40% of our inventory getting sold within the few weeks of launches. And overall operating environment has been very good. Property demand is good, pricing is better, and cost control efforts internally has been going strong. And therefore, overall, we have been able to report a very interesting and a very strong number for Q1. We think the next couple of quarters will be equally good, because we have another 9 launches scheduled for 9 months. 3 launches in Q2, 3 launches in Q3, and 4 launches in Q4. Q2, we will be launching 2 projects in Chennai. They are already RERA approval is received. We will be launching 1 project in Bengaluru. So overall, pipeline looks good. Market conditions look good. Pricing environment is conducive. Therefore, we think we should be able to deliver a good set of outcome and results for the next couple of quarters.
Okay, sir. We have seen that the pre-booking scenario is very good right now. इसमें भी हमने देखा है कि प्री-बुकिंग जो प्रीमियम प्रॉपर्टीज़ में होती है वो काफ़ी अच्छी होती हैं. अफोर्डेबल के लिए, सेमी अफोर्डेबल के लिए, उसके लिए भी अगर आप बता सके तो, और जिस प्रकार से रिस्पांस लोगों का है अभी प्रॉपर्टी बाइंग में, ये थोड़ा सा हमें समझाइए. कैसे देख रहे हैं आप सिचुएशन को, जो प्री बुकिंग वगैरह है उसमें काफ़ी ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट इन जनरल इन्वेस्टर्स का आप देखने मिल रहा है. गोपाल सर.
Portfolio में mid-market product is 85%. Premium is about 1 or 2 projects. So pre-booking is equally strong even in mid-market. Last quarter, we launched 1 premium product in Coimbatore and Bengaluru, which is done well. We also launched a mid-market product that is also done exceedingly well. So both mid-market as well as premium are doing well. As you know, we are 85% of our portfolio is focused on mid-market and affordable segment.
Okay, definitely. So now let's talk about the realizations, because पिछले 1-2 क्वार्टर में हमने देखा था कि प्रॉब्लम्स, इन्फ्लेशनरी प्रॉब्लम्स जो सिचुएशन थे प्राइसेस के, उसकी वजह से थे. कितना पास ऑन हो चुका है, या तो फिर मैं ये उसको अलग तरीके से पूछना चाहूँगा कि कितना अब तक में कम होता हुआ आपको नज़र आ रहा है ये प्रेशर, और रियलाइजेशंस में कितनी हेल्प हमें देखने मिल रही है, ये जो प्राइसेस थोड़े से कूल ऑफ होते हुए देखने मिले हैं उसकी वजह से. गोपाल सर.
रॉ मटेरियल प्राइसेस का सिचुएशन अंडर कंट्रोल है. प्राइस इन्फ्लेशन वाज मोर प्रोमिनेंट इन Q1 लास्ट ईयर. वो शॉर्ट लिविंग था, शॉर्ट टर्म था. Q2 onwards, prices are much better, and overall, so therefore inflation pressure is not the driver. Demand अच्छा से चल रहा है. Industry consolidation है, so less limited number of players. Therefore, the overall pricing environment is conducive. Underlying demand is going strong, and therefore developers are able to improve prices, increase prices. If you look at from October 22, when post-COVID markets turned around, we have now seen 25% improvement in similar projects. Like comparable basis पे 25% price hike हुआ है. FY22 में हम लोगों ने 8% increase देखा. FY23 में full year हम लोगों ने 8-9% का price increase देखा. अभी first quarter में ही 6-7% increase देख चुके हैं. So I think the pricing market environment is very, very conducive for developer, all of them. All the large branded developers will have this positive working environment, and therefore I think we are on a good footing for the next few quarters.
डेफिनेटली सर. सो लुकिंग एट दी न्यू प्रोजेक्ट्स, उसमें अभी तक में किस प्रकार का रिस्पांस है? जैसे आपने बताया कि काफ़ी अच्छा बुकिंग वगैरह जो है वो हो रही है, एंड सिंस वी नो द बेंगलुरु मार्केट इज़ वेरी वेरी मेजर फॉर अस, वहाँ पे जिस प्रकार से लोग फिर से एक बार जब आने लगे हैं तो प्रॉपर्टी मार्केट्स में थोड़ा एक अंडर करंट जो था वो वापस आता हुआ भी देखने मिला होगा. तो ये दोनों एंगल से इस सवाल का जवाब सर आपसे.
So market undercurrent is very strong. Demand, a lot of apprehensions about the impact of interest rate hike on consumer demand for housing was a big apprehension for the last couple of quarters, and I think that has been proved to be very muted. The demand conditions are very good, and underlying demand is strong. From a launch perspective, as I said, we launched one project in Koramangala in Bengaluru. The other project was launched in Hebbal. Both these projects have sold around 38 to 40% of the saleable inventory has been sold in the first 2 months itself. So that clearly shows where we at Shriram, we have traditionally sold nearly 35-40% of our project during the launch period. That is 3 months from the launch. We try to sell at least 1/3 of the project. So that trend is continuing, and with the price hike, it clearly shows that the market is able to absorb this supply in a meaningful way. So it's all about location and pricing, and I think has been working well for Shriram for the last several quarters.
सो अभी जो हमारे प्रोजेक्ट्स अवेलेबिलिटी जो था, अब थोड़ा सा क्लियर जब हुआ है पाइपलाइन, तो आगे के लिए आपका फोकस भी थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा क्लियर होगा. ऐसे सिचुएशन में समझना चाहेंगे कि जो प्रोजेक्ट्स क्लियर हो चुके हैं, जो डिले थे वो भी क्लियर हो चुके हैं. सो व्हाट्स नेक्स्ट? अब यहाँ पे आगे किस प्रकार के प्रोजेक्ट पे आपका फोकस है और क्या वहाँ पे आपके एक्सपेक्टेशंस रहेंगे?
और पूरा साल में 5.8 मिलियन स्क्वायर फीट का लॉन्च का प्लान चल रहा है. So 11 to 12 launches, 5.7 million square feet is to be launched, of which we have launched a very small quantity in Q1. So we have a very robust launch pipeline for Q2, Q3, and Q4. As I said, Q2 will be launching 3 projects, 2 in Chennai and 1 in Bengaluru. Q3, 3 projects, and Q4 we have 4 projects. All put together, 5.7 million square feet of saleable area getting added. In April, we started off the year with about 5 million square feet of inventory in the ongoing projects. We have 0 inventory in completed projects. There is no meaningful inventory in completed projects of entire Shriram. Whatever inventory we have or whatever the stock we have to sell is on the ongoing projects. 23 million square feet, 19 projects is ongoing. Out of 23 million, 21 million belongs to Shriram, rest belongs to landowners as part of the JDA. Out of 21 million square feet, we have literally sold close to about 80% of the inventory has been sold. So only 20% of ongoing projects are the inventory that we have to sell. The rest is already sold. So our focus is on launching new projects. This 5.7 million, coupled with the current stock in the ongoing project, should help Shriram reach 4.8 million square feet of sales by end of this year. So that's our target for FY24. 5.8 million square feet, 4.8 million square feet. My apologies. So we did 4 million last year. So 20% growth in volumes is what we are targeting. And I think we are on track to deliver this 4.8 million square feet of sales volume during this year. Value-wise, it will be about 2,500 crores of sales value for full financial year FY24.
ओके, तो यही चीज़ को सेम रेफरेंस में रखते हुए गोपाल सर, वी हैव सीन दैट ईयर ऑन ईयर योर कलेक्शंस आर 10% डाउन, बट मंथ ऑन मंथ क्या ट्रेंड रहा है कलेक्शंस में, ये थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा क्लैरिटी देगा पिक्चर पे. तो ये बताइए, एंड अगेन आपके जो टारगेट्स हैं कलेक्शंस के, सेल्स वैल्यू के, उसको देखते हुए ये जो कलेक्शंस के हमारे ट्रेंड है मंथ ऑन मंथ, वो कितने सपोर्टिव हैं अभी फिलहाल?
So Q1 collections are actually robust, strong enough. Except for the month of April, where we suffered a little bit due to a variety of factors, where due to elections in Karnataka, we got some OC delays, which was received subsequently. Therefore, when the OC gets delayed, last mile collection gets delayed. And also we had some registration related issues that with the government of Karnataka introducing a new registration software called Kaveri 2.0 that led to some glitches. All this got solved in April. So April, एक महीने में हमारा collection कुछ 80 crores के आसपास था. compared to our historical average is about 110 to 120 crores. That एक महीने का collection थोड़ा कम था. May and June we were back to 110, 120 crores. July, in fact, we are at 147 crores, and August we should end the month with about 150 crores. So ramp up nicely हो रहा है, and full year targets हैं 1,600 crore is the total target for the full year. And I think we are on track to reach that number because whatever we lost in April, we have caught up already. So I think ramp up will continue. We'll reach our targeted collection of 1,600 crore by end of this financial year.
ओके, जस्ट अ साइड क्वेश्चन गोपाल जी, मॉनसून से हमारे जो प्रॉपर्टी के सेलिंग वगैरह होती है उस पर कोई इम्पैक्ट है या नहीं? क्योंकि एक जनरल डिमांड का अंडरटोन रहता है, मॉनसून अच्छा होना ज़रूरी होता है, एंड सो फार वी हैव सीन दैट ऑलमोस्ट इन लाइन जा रहे हैं जो भी एक्सपेक्टेशंस थे उसके.
Monsoons have very little impact on residential housing demand, but where we see is the auspiciousness of the calendar months. Till about mid-August, there's an inauspicious month in southern part of the country. Therefore, people don't commit on new housing, and that's got over yesterday. So the new month is today. So the new month is beginning now. So therefore, see now the next 3.5 months till 15th December is an auspicious period, and then for 1 month till January 14th is an inauspicious, and then with the Pongal festival, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka gets March post Sankranti gets into another auspicious season. So we have the second half is usually a very packed, robust period for southern regional residential players. So it's a seasonality which is there, not the monsoon led. But we think the season has started very well. We see a very positive, strong demand environment, and with all the apprehensions and concerns around job losses in a few sectors because of global recession, all that fears were there. Now we see that people are coming forward to do more inquiries. We are seeing people booking. The inquiry to booking cycle is shrinking. All that shows customers are really coming forward to take the decisions. So I think the apprehension seems to be over. Housing loan companies tell us that the loan application inflows have remained strong. That clearly shows the interest rate related concerns are also must be disappearing. So overall, the environment is very good and I think it will remain good for mid-market players as well as mostly residential players. But we see more prominently, we see mid-market doing very well. Even in the first, all the publicly available research reports show that the mid-markets have accounted for 55-60% of absorption in India. So therefore, there is enough positive undercurrent in the market. And I think we are well positioned to capitalize on this for the next 3 quarters.
डेफिनेटली, तो इन सारे मुद्दों पर ज़रूर नज़र रहेगी. गोपाल जी, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए और ये सारी जानकारी देने के लिए.
थैंक यू और नमस्कार.
थैंक यू सर. तो આપણે વાત કરીએ શ્રીરામ પ્રોપર્ટીઝના મેનેજમેન્ટ સાથે. પરિણામો રસપ્રદ આવ્યા છે, જેમાં આપણે વાત કરીએ. ગોપાલજી કહી રહ્યા હતા તેમના તરફથી બહુ જ સરસ પરફોર્મન્સ છે, કલેક્શન સાથે બધી જ વસ્તુઓ પણ સારી છે અને રિયલાઇઝેશન્સમાં પણ સારો સુધારો છે. સ્ટોક ડેફિનેટલી ઓપન થયા બાદ 1.5% ઉપર અત્યારે ફિલહાલ, હા નો ડાઉટ 12.5 પછી થોડો એક ઘટાડો જરૂર આવ્યો છે, પણ એ મામૂલી એવો ઘટાડો છે. તેમ છતાં પણ મજબૂતીના સંકેત હજુ પણ યથાવત ઓલમોસ્ટ 70 ને નજીક છે શ્રીરામ પ્રોપર્ટીઝ.